Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have our pre-owned 2021 Lexus RX350 F Sport. This one is a gorgeous example. It's right about 24,000 miles on it. Of course, F Sport badging. And red interior. Look at this. Man, oh man, what a spec. Powered by the 3.5 liter V6. Plenty of horsepower. Heated steering wheel. Cooled seats, heated seats. I mean, everything you need is here. We're going to be in sport mode. This is your key. In sport mode, panoramic sunroof, suede headliner. Let's go for a drive. Hold on, I heard the plate moving around, so let me pull over real quick and check on that. I'm just gonna do a quick double check. Make sure that didn't come off. That's not going anywhere. That's not going anywhere. It's just moving around. Good. Way I like it. Go this way. So if you hear the plate moving, it's just shifting back and forth on those screws, because I don't want to make them I don't want to make them too tight to the point where I can't get the screws off after I'm done. So very, very throaty exhaust note too. I will say there is some sound pumped into the cabin. It's pretty clear, but you do hear a good amount of noise from that exhaust. You know, they made a really good SUV with the RX350. It's a very, very fun to drive vehicle. I'm honestly impressed. I'm a big fan of the IS350 F Sport too. So I'm very familiar with this engine, driven it a couple times now. Man, is it fun. Steering wheel feels great in your hands. Do have some paddles behind the wheel, which we will be using shortly. Looks like 7-speed automatic. It's actually a very good transmission. not bad at all. In our kick down test, let's see, so say you're going 65, you need to pass. Not bad. What a comfortable car. These seats, I can sit in these seats all day. They're ventilated, heated, whatever you need. Oh, this is great. Brakes do feel great too. That's actually a really responsive pedal. I did not expect that. What a great SUV, guys. Honestly, this is really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.